I want to talk about real dads today. Not fathers, but I want to talk about dads. Anybody can be a father. Take a real man to be a daddy, though. See, Father's Day changes as you get older. Sometimes being a father, just like being a mother, is a thankless job sometimes. You put your all in all into your kids, you don't know what you mean to them. And then, as you get older, when you're a kid, you don't necessarily understand or even appreciate what your dad is trying to do for you. But it's only when you get older, you step back, you move out the house, maybe even start a family on your own, you start to really realize, man, what that man meant to me. My dad, what he tried to teach, all the lessons. Now, I'm gonna show you a video of exactly that. This is a grown-up son who gave his father, for Father's Day, a photo album of pictures of the two of them throughout the year. Now, I gotta tell you, the dad was touched by the photos alone. But at the end of it, there was a note. And the man was asking his dad to be his best man at his wedding. You might cry. Check it out.
Look at that. We look both hair.
Yeah.
Richie was the original, so.
That was a really, really good video, man. You kind of hope at the end of the day that your sons feel that way about you, your father. You just hope, you really don't have to be his best man or nothing like that. But I got to tell you, man, you're going to be appreciated. And for all you dads out there that's been putting in the years with your kids, whether it's your son or whether your daughter, where you've been turning your boy into a man, or you've been showing a young girl the example of how a man ought to treat a woman by taking good care of her mom. Whatever it is, hats off to the dads around the world. Happy Father's Day out there, man. Hey, let's get into some Hey Steve. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I got a lot more that you're gonna enjoy, so just click to watch the next one. And make sure you subscribe to always know what's happening.